Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on this reset option and tap on reset network settings, so the middle option. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset network settings and be aware because this operation cannot be undone. Tap on reset network settings and here we've got the information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.